Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Frustrated Job Seeker podcast. I'm your host, Mark Williamson, and today we're diving into the world of plumbing, an industry that's as vital as it is often overlooked. In addition to having worked for two companies as the head of talent acquisition, I was also a naval officer who served on two ships. And on my first ship, I was in charge of the welders and the plumbers on board the ship. So I've seen the world of plumbers up close and personal. And stick around until the end of this episode because I've got some eye-opening figures about plumber salaries that you won't want to miss. So let's roll up our sleeves and explore the life of a plumber. Ever wondered what plumbers actually do? Well, let me paint you a picture. Plumbers are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring that clean water flows in and wastewater flows out smoothly in our homes and businesses. A typical day starts with reviewing job assignments, gathering tools, and setting out for various locations. Plumbers work in diverse settings from residential houses to large commercial complexes. Now let's talk about the moolah. Plumbers can work independently or as part of a company. Solo plumbers have the freedom to set their rates, but they also handle their own marketing and overhead expenses. On the flip side, joining a company provides steady work, benefits, and often a more structured career path. The earning potential varies based on experience, location, and the projects they take on. From installing gas lines and plumbing fixtures to unclogging drains, plumbers tackle a wide array of projects. In residential settings, they may handle bathroom and kitchen renovations, water heater installations, and leak repairs. In the commercial realm, they might work on large-scale pipe installations, maintenance of complex plumbing systems, and more. There's always a demand for skilled plumbers to keep things flowing smoothly. But it's not all smooth sailing beneath the pipes. Plumbers face potential hazards, including exposure to harmful chemicals, confined spaces, and the risk of burns or cuts. As they work with water, gas, and electricity systems, safety precautions are paramount. So what tools do plumbers wield? From wrenches and pipe cutters to video inspection cameras, their toolkit is quite impressive. Protective gear like gloves, goggles, and respirators are also crucial to minimize risks. Becoming a plumber typically requires a high school diploma or equivalent, followed by vocational training or an apprenticeship program. This hands-on experience is invaluable as it helps plumbers gain practical skills under the guidance of experienced plumbers. If you're considering a plumbing career, there are specialized schools and apprenticeship programs available across the country. These programs can range from a few months to several years, depending on the level of certification you aim for. Certification requirements vary by state, but the rewards are substantial. Plus, let's not forget about the option of gaining plumbing experience through the military, a path that offers both training and a steady paycheck. Early on, we touched a little bit on the moolah, but now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk about plumber salaries. Entry-level plumbers can expect to earn $40,000 to $50,000 per year. As they gain experience and expertise, that figure can rise significantly. Experienced plumbers, especially those working on complex commercial projects or specializing in high-demand areas like medical gas installations, can earn upwards of $80,000 to $100,000 annually. So if you're looking for a career that's both financially rewarding and hands-on, plumbing might be your calling. There you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of plumbing. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Frustrated Job Seeker podcast for more career insights. If you've got any questions or thoughts about plumbing or any other career path, drop them in the comment section below. Remember, every job is an opportunity to learn, grow, and make a real impact. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking those job opportunities. I help frustrated job seekers successfully navigate the job search and interview process.